Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan recipe, only way. Start by gathering 6 egg yolks, 1 can sweetened condensed milk, and 1 can evaporated milk, and fine white sugar for caramel. Whisk gently to avoid bubbles and prepare a snug lid or foil for steaming. Make the caramel first, coat the mold, then pour custard through a sieve to ensure smooth texture before cooking. Warm the pan and combine 1 cup sugar with 1/4 cup water, then let it simmer undisturbed until it reaches a deep amber color. Remove from heat at once to avoid bitterness and pour carefully into your mold, tilting to coat the base and sides. Work quickly but safely, since the caramel is extremely hot. Allow it to set while you prepare the custard mixture for a clean finish. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and I find its clear, calm advice oddly comforting while waiting for flan to chill. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Gently combine 6 egg yolks with 1 can sweetened condensed milk and 1 can evaporated milk, stirring slowly to avoid air bubbles. Strain the mixture into the caramel-lined mold for a silky result, then cover tightly with foil. Steam over simmering water for about 30 to 40 minutes, or bake in a water bath until the custard is just set but still jiggles slightly. Cool fully before chilling overnight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.